We're going to bisect this particular angle right here. It should be quite easy because bisecting angles is actually not that difficult. The main thing, guys, is when you use your compass, just watch my hands and how I use the compass. Once I start using the compass, you can use this bit here, which is great for when you're doing circles and large arcs, but we're not making large arcs to just bisect an angle. So I'm likely to just hold this arm of the compass, the one with the point on it. So this is how we do it. We set the compass to a certain length so that it can hit both of the arms of the angle while it's here at the point. Okay, so what we do is we put the point of the compass right on this point here of the angle and just easily inscribe an arc here so it intersects with that arm of the angle, and do another one there. Remember, look, I haven't taken the compass off that point and I haven't reset the length of the compass. So now you can see I've got two arcs intersecting the arms of the angle, which is what I want. Now, I can, if I want, I can reset the length of this, doesn't really matter, but once I've set it, leave it like it is. Okay, now I go back to the angle, and again, I just put the point here where one of the arcs that I drew intersects the arm and make an arc like that. And then I do the same, don't touch this, don't change the setting. Okay, I want to change to my left hand. And again, I put the point right on that intersection there. And all I need to do is intersect with the arc that I made a few seconds ago, so I have that. Now that is the important point, because all I have to do now is join up that point right there with this point right here. So I'll do that now. And I have perfectly bisected the original arc. So this angle is exactly the same size as that angle. Job done.